Here are the top 4 no-code blockchain software solutions. 1. Blockstack. Blockstack is a decentralized computing platform that allows users to build and deploy decentralized applications, DApps. 1. It utilizes a blockchain-based storage system called Gaia to store application data, making it easy for developers to create apps without the need to set up their own servers. 1. Blockstack also offers a range of tools and resources to help users get started, including a developer portal and community forums. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that was designed to enable the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. 2. It has a built-in programming language called Solidity that developers can use to create and deploy applications on the Ethereum blockchain. 2. While Solidity does require some programming knowledge, Ethereum also offers a number of no-code solutions, including the Ethereum Studio, which allows users to build and deploy applications using a drag-and-drop interface. 3. Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is an open-source blockchain platform that was developed by the Linux Foundation. 3. It is designed to be modular and flexible, allowing developers to easily create and deploy blockchain applications for a variety of industries. 3. Hyperledger Fabric offers a range of tools and resources for developers, including the Hyperledger Composer, which allows users to build blockchain applications using a graphical interface. 4. Corda. Corda is an open-source blockchain platform that was developed by the R3 Consortium. 4. It is designed specifically for financial institutions and allows them to build and deploy blockchain applications that can facilitate secure and transparent financial transactions. 4. Corda offers a range of tools and resources for developers, including the Corda Enterprise Network Manager, which allows users to easily set up and manage Corda networks.